I would like to know that which Bollywood actor do you like most?
I like my father because he's
Obviously.
there are many of actors who are doing wonderful in their own jobs, but the idea is that if you're doing a character in a movie, if you are molding yourself in a movie, that my father do every time he get into the character and always give their and present the best in front of their audience.
Now moving ahead, our next celebrity is a famous Bollywood actress. She is a daughter of Saif Ali Khan. I would like to call Sara Aziz in the role of Sara Ali Khan. So put your hand together for Sara Aziz for Sara Ali Khan. Welcome here, ma'am.
Thank.
Uh, you are quite young in the Bollywood industry, and you are a daughter of famous couple in Bollywood industry. As a daughter, how your father treats you? That means, as everybody knows, Saif sir is a very comic personality, and he also enjoys a lot. So, how he treats you at your home?
Um, Thank you for asking, but every father has their different nature from for their daughter, for their son.
Yes.
Not they are doing their thing, comic thing in a character in the movies, and they are doing have a different nature with their children, and I think he is the very best nature towards me, and he every time he treats me very well and gives me a better treatment in my house.
Okay, and what forces you to join Bollywood? Just because of your parents are well actor and actresses in Bollywood, or something else?
I'm not. I'm never forced to become an actress. I have many of studies. My dream is to complete my degrees in Oxford University.
Okay.
But I could not join in. But I have to join in a New York university, and I have to complete my further studies in that university. And I am not connected with studies, so I decided to quit my studies and give in a come in a industry and do in a acting. I'm really inspired with my parents to become an actress, because I really enjoying to do such of a characters in a movies.
That means you enjoy your Bollywood industry,
Yes, sir.
and you have also given many good movies in our Bollywood industry. So, I would like to know that which Bollywood actor do you like most?
I like my father because he's
Obviously.
so there are many of actors who are doing wonderful in their own jobs, but the idea is that if you are doing a character in a movie, if you are molding yourself in a movie, that my father do every time he get into the character and always give their and present the best in front of their audience.
Okay, and
Yes.
you have also acted with many big stars.
Yeah.
So, what is the main thing that you learn when you perform into a movie?
I always inspire with other actors, senior actors like Akshay sir and Dhanush sir. They always encourage me and give the best ideas to me, and I always learn every of a new ideas with them, and I really get inspired with them.
As you daughter of a famous couple in Bollywood, have you also faced nepotism, or do you also think that there is nepotism in Bollywood, as many of the actor or actresses are son and daughters of famous actor or actresses?
I think there's a nepotism, but it's not their own fault. They are star kid, but they are doing their best. They are giving their best. You are not judge a person on their parents' life. You are giving them a time. You are get to time themselves. If they are doing their best, you have to encourage them to give their best to do best thing in the future. You never you don't have to demotivate them.
Okay. Moving ahead to our audience. They want to ask some questions.
Hello, Swara ma'am.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm very good.
So my question is, when you start your Bollywood journey, in the beginning of the journey, many people stroll you saying that, and after that, when you entered in Bollywood, and the people are saying the nepotism kids. So how you focus on your work with ignoring them?
As you all know, I am studying in New York, and I leave that, and I come in a Bollywood, and I completely lost my 46 kilo weight to come in a Bollywood, and I give my best and never think of a people judgment. I do my best, and I live in a movement and live in a character, and I give all the things towards the audience.
Hello, ma'am. In the starting, when you start your journey in Bollywood, in beginning, you can do many of the movies, but at present time, you cannot participate in the movies. What is the reason behind that?
I'm giving myself a time. I'm practicing myself to doing a best, and I inspiring with many actresses, seeing them, and I get all the things, ideas how to become a good actress, and I doing a hard work for them for that.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Why did you think of losing your weight to come to Bollywood? Like we saw, Bharti Singh did not lose his weight, but still he is an inspiration today.
I appreciate her that she never lose their weight, but I think that in a industry, the people who trolls you, who never took you in every of a character by your weight, and you have to give them a perfect body. As everyone say, you have a perfect body for a character, for doing a acting. That is necessary for in an industry, for in the acting industry. And she is very wonderful comedian. She never gets trolled. She gets trolled, but she never take it as herself. But I am a person who get very affected with the trolling. So I think that if you can lose your weight, so do it, or your acting career.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, when you perform Kedarnath, India's favorite actor Sushant Singh, can you say something about it and what you struggle face about when the shooting here there and of Kedarnath?
It's a wonderful journey for me, as I am coming in the industry, and I am doing the first film of my life with a wonderful actor Sushant Singh. He is a very good actor. He is doing their best for many times, but never get encouraged for their work, for his work. He is a very true, generous person in a industry. He never get appreciated and never get many of award of their many of the characters he do. I think that he always inspire me. He always get encourage me and give the best advice to do acting in a movie. How to get involved with everyone. How to give their best in front of an audience. That's all.
Thank
As a new trend is going on in Bollywood, that Bollywood is not making only films, they are also making web series. So do you have also a plan to switch yourself from movie to web series?
If I get a job, if I get a work, I will do it, because the work is your thing. If you are doing any of a work, like movies, like web series, if you are getting any of a amount for your work, if you are doing the work, it's never come off on what is web series or films. If I get a better cast for the web series, I will join it.
Okay, any last message do you want to give your audience?
So I just want to say, if you are any of a kind of a trolling you are going for, just don't think it, because of every of a people, different judgment, have different ideas. Always get it and ignore it, and do your best and give your best in front of all, in front of your audience. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.